Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Saker brand toolkit I have here. This thing has a little bit of everything in it. So one of the main pieces of this is the cordless drill. There's all kinds of manual tools in here too. This would be great for throwing in your vehicle, your RV, your camping rig. A great emergency toolkit, all around universal toolkit. Here's the cordless drill. It's rechargeable too. Type C connector. Comes with a Type C, USB. Nice little hammer here. Allen wrenches. A whole bunch of different tips. Got all kinds of different screwdriver tips, flatheads, square bits, star bits, Phillips. Got some sockets here too. Got some drill bits. It also comes with a little fastener pouch too, like for hanging things on drywall. You know, to hang pictures, things like that. Tape measure, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, crescent wrench, some really tiny screwdrivers too, maybe for working on your glasses, smaller electronics type things. And it's got a razor blade too. It has a bunch of refill blades, some extra blades, and some longer bits too. It also has a bit so you can easily change these out. You put that in your cordless and you can just operate with that, just change the bits out there. It also has some manual tools here that you can use all your bits with as well. And of course it has a nice case. You can carry it around with you and store everything in there. This is really nice, small and compact, multi-directional. It's got a couple different speeds on there too. The slower speed, medium, and fast. Bit, put that in there. Ready to go. Nice, it has rotational control too, so you can kind of feather it and taper it off too. And here we're using this nice razor blade for some trim work. Thanks to this toolkit, I was able to put together this whole shelf assembly, this whole cabinet assembly. Worked out perfect.